Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to discuss about transition to golden rule steady state. Okay, transition to golden rule steady state. So in the previous lesson we studied about what is golden rule steady state, and in this lecture we are going to discuss that if the steady state which we have chosen, which the policymaker have choose, is not the golden rule of steady state, then what transition will happen to that. Okay, so we have been assuming that the policymakers simply choose economy steady state and jump there immediately. Okay, in this case a policymaker would choose steady state with highest consumption, that is golden rule of steady state. Okay, but but now but now suppose that economy has reached a steady state other than golden steady state. Now economy has reached other steady state level than the golden rule of steady state, right? So what happens? So now we will see that what will happen to the consumption, investment and output when the economy make transition between the steady state. Okay, so you got the crux. So first we are going to take case 1. And what will be our case 1? Case 1 is starting with too much capital. Okay, that your steady state is before and your capital which you are starting with is more than the capital per worker required to that golden rule of steady state. Okay, so now if I plot it in the diagram, I'm going to draw 2 diagram, but in the exam you have to draw only 1 diagram only, which I'll tell. This is the first diagram, will be just for the reference only. Okay, so this is your first diagram, this is your second diagram. Okay, so you know what comes here, steady state capital per worker. So I am writing it steady state K star. Okay, but you have to write full as I have already told you. And in the above, three things will come. What are the 3 things? Steady state output per worker, right? Investment, steady state and per worker will come in all. Okay, investment and depreciation. Okay, we know this basic. Okay, so let's draw the diagram now. Okay, and you know that this is your depreciation function, delta K star. Okay, and we can now draw our production function, that is y star is equal to f K star. This we know, and you know that where will you get the golden rule of steady state, where the slopes are equal. And if I draw line parallel to this, it is this point. So at this point you can pass your consumption function, that is your I2. I will write it as I2 star. I will tell you why. S2 into Y star. But okay, so this diagram we know, we have studied earlier also. But what is our case? Our case is that we are not at this level, but we are at level which is higher than this level. Okay, that means we are starting with more capital, and other than this point there is no steady state golden rule of steady state. Okay, so let's see what transition take place. So I am assuming that this is the point, we are starting from here. So this is your first, okay, so this is your first consumption curve, right? Because we are starting from here. This is our second one, that's why I have written 2 here. So I1 will be S1 Y star. Okay, so now what will happen? So also in the second diagram, wait, let me draw the second also, then I will give you the explanation of the diagram. Okay, so here 3 things will come: income, consumption, investment. Okay, and here it will be time period, and this is your main diagram. Okay, always remember this is your main diagram. So I am going to check what will happen to the income after this transition take place. So I am taking this time period as t naught. Okay, and we were in the steady state till t naught. Okay, until this changes. So let's say this is your y, this is your c, this is your I. Okay, so it will be straight line till period t naught, right? But after that, after t naught, that is after this, after we are moving from I1 to I2, what will happen? We will plot this in the diagram. So listen to me very carefully. Consider a case in which economy begins at steady state with more capital as compared to the golden rule of steady state. Okay, you can see also here K star gold. This is what we are starting with, this K star, right? So now in this case, government will try to reduce saving rate. What we have done here, earlier saving rate was this one, but now to achieve the K star gold, the government, what the government has done, it has changed the saving rate to S2. Okay, and this is done after T naught period. Until T naught, we were at steady state level. That's why all are straight line constant. Okay, but after that, government has changed the saving rate, and now we are not at this steady state level, and there will be transition in the economy, which we are going to show here. Okay, so the government will reduce the saving rate. But why will it reduce the saving rate? To reduce the capital stock, because we know we have to come back. So we have to reduce the capital stock per worker. So suppose that government policy succeeds in reducing saving rate at some point at T naught. Okay, it means that saving rate decreases to the level that will lead to K star gold. Okay, due to the government decreasing the saving rate, it will leads to your K star gold. That is your golden rule of level. So now, but we will see in this transition from going here to here, what are the changes that we have faced in these three things. Okay, so let's see it one by one. The reduction in saving causes an immediate increase in consumption, because you know that you are moving towards the K star gold. So you know that your saving is going to screen bit by bit at K star gold its maximum. Okay, so your consumption has increased. Okay, so your consumption has increased immediately. So it will be like this, immediate increase, right? There is an immediate increase because your income is divided between consumption and saving, and since the S has reduced, so immediately your consumption has increased to balance the equation. Okay, so it has increased to this level. Okay, so now we move on further. Okay, so we have immediate increase in consumption. Also, with respect to this, you know that saving will decrease, and what happens? Saving decrease. Saving is equal to the investment. So if saving is decreased, there is a direct relation. So investment will also decrease. So what will happen to the investment? Investment will decrease. I am showing it like this. It is decrease. Okay. So investment has decreased. But due to this decrease in your investment, what has happened now? You know, at steady state depreciation is equal to investment, but now investment has decreased. So it means that your depreciation is greater than investment. Now what will happen if this condition prevails? It means that your capital stock per worker will reduce gradually, right? Also it means that you're no longer in steady state, since there is no equality in it. So gradually capital stock per worker decreases, leading to the reduction in output. Okay, so we know that there will be reduction in output also. Okay, so it is decreasing. Okay, and you know consumption has immediately increased, so it's like this, graph is like this. Okay. Okay, so as a result, consumption and investment also reduces. Why consumption and investment reduces? because your y has decreased, and if y has decreased, you know it will impact your consumption also. Sorry, it won't go like this. Okay, see, there was an immediate increase like this, and your it will start decreasing now. It will start decrease. Wait, I will show you. uh, I guess I have messed up. Okay, so let's assume that this is T naught only. So there is an immediate increase, right? This is nothing. There is an immediate increase, and now due to fall in y, it will start falling. It will start falling. Okay, so this is still here. I'll draw one fair diagram also at last so that you remember it well. Okay. So these variables will continue to fall so that economy reaches the new steady state. And what is your new steady state? K star goal. So since we are assuming that steady state is golden rule steady state, so consumption must be higher than the previous value, although in output and investment will be lower. So now we have reached till steady state. So now again at steady state, you know it will be constant, right? So it will decrease until it reaches the new steady state, right? Okay, then again it will become constant. For consumption, this is T naught. Okay, assume this that T naught. I just messed up with the diagram. So this is your T naught. So when your saving rate decrease, there is an immediate increase in the consumption, which is shown by this straight line. Okay, then after that, due to this also, I have shown you that your y has also decreased. Due to decrease in y, your consumption will start decreasing, start falling. But we have assumed that the new steady state level is the K star gold level. So the new consumption must be higher than the previous consumption. Okay, so draw it above than this point. So it will fall like this, and it will again go straight. And when it reaches to this K star gold and reaches the steady rate. Similarly, for investment also it will decrease, and as soon as it will achieve your new steady state, it will again be constant. So this is your fair diagram. Okay guys, I hope you understand this concept. Similarly, there is a second concept with this, that is starting with too less capital. Okay, so let's see for too less also. That is your case 2. Starting with too less capital. You can do this on your own also if you understood this. Okay, because this is also just replica of the case we did above. Okay, so if I will be only, I won't be drawing this diagram, and you also don't draw this diagram in the exam. You have to only draw this diagram in the exam if this question comes. Okay, and this is just the extra diagram. This is not given in the book. So when the economy begins with less capital as compared to golden rule of steady state, then what happens? See, in this it will be opposite of what we did in this case. Okay, so let's see what we did in this case, and we will do the opposite. So in this case we reduce the saving rate, but in this case what the government will going to do? Government will going to increase the saving rate, and what will happen due to this? It will increase the capital stock. Okay, so if I draw the diagram, I'm not marking anything, I'm just drawing the diagram, so mark on your own. Okay, so this is your delta K, and now this is your I2. And this is your golden state level. Okay, but where you are this is K star gold. You are starting with too less capital, so you must be in this range. Okay, so let's take any range. I'm taking this range. Okay, this one. We are here. Okay, corresponding to this, what will be your this? This is I1, S1, Y star. Okay, so if I plot this in the same diagram, it will be T naught. Okay, and it is Y, C, I. This is your Y, this is your C, this is your I. You can show these in different diagram also, but they have just clubbed the diagram so that it get concise also in a compact form, right? So let's say at t naught it will be equal, since it is already at steady state level. But now I have told you that everything will be opposite of this. In this, government will, what will government do? Government will try to increase the saving rate so that your new curves is like this and you reaches here k star gold. Okay, but when the s has increased, what will it do? Okay, your s has increased to in order to increase your capital stock. Okay, and increase in s now cause immediate decline in consumption. Okay, here it was immediate rise in consumption, but here it will be immediate decline. So it was immediate decline in consumption, right? And increase in the investment. Okay, so investment will be like this. This will be increase. Okay. Okay, and since now your investment is increased, okay, so you know at steady state investment is equal to depreciation, but now investment has increased, so investment is greater than depreciation. Now it is not at the steady state anymore. And now what it will do, since investment is more than depreciation, this means your capital stock per worker will go on increasing, okay, due to their higher investment. With increase in capital stock, output, consumption and investment gradually increases. You know that your investment is high, so your why not will also start increase with your investment, right? So it will be like this, and with the increase of y1 your consumption will start rising. It will be like this, it will be also rising. But after it reaches to k star gold, we have assumed that the new steady state level is k star gold, golden rule of steady state. So you know that consumption should be higher than this level of consumption which was before. So I am showing it this level. Now at this level we have reached the new steady state. This was the your transition period, and again it will be gone straight. Okay, and it is higher than this level, just make sure this. Okay, so this was the transition to golden rule of steady state. I hope I explained you in a good manner and in a deep manner. Okay, just make sure you make out the theory from this only. It's very easy, no need to worry for the theory. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and tell me in the comment section if you have any doubt about it. Bye.